Hey guys, today we're going to be making a game on Unity using C# code and designs. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create this project and I'm going to wait until it loads. It should take around 5 to 10 seconds to load, but my computer is really slow, so it's about to take a long time. Okay guys, so mine loaded and let's see what we got here. We got a main camera, directional light, and we got an expector, and we got start, pause, backward. And we got scenes and game. So we got assists, and materials, models, prefabs, modified, and configured. And this is really good to start a game in Unity. So first, I'm not gonna remove anything. I'm just gonna remove services and use inspector down here so that we could get hands on the inspector. Okay, so we're just gonna name camera just camera, because why would they want to know why is it called main camera? It's just a camera. So I'm just gonna move here and hit enter, and we're just gonna create a cube. We're just gonna right click here and hit cube. Hit feed object and cube. So this cube is just going to be our floor. And floors are really huge, so we're just going to make it a lot big and width and okay. So this is good, better. So as you can see, these lines right here under them, there's no more line. And let's pretend like this is the line forward. We don't want that to be a full too. So we're just gonna move it a little bit up. Back the lines like that. So let's move the camera now up. Or let's just keep it. Yeah, move it off, you could move it now. For now, I'm gonna keep it. So make it a little bit up. Like, let's cube above the line, like that, and the camera should be up there. And then the sun should be coming right from here. So, let's create materials. Let's just hit finger in materials. And let's open that material. Let's create a material inside there. Let's call it red. Red. And let's color it red, because it's called red. And let's create a green. And let's make it green, because it's called green. This is okay. So, as you know, ground is alive and grass is green, so that's why green as our ground. So now we're just gonna create a player. We're just gonna right click here and create three visual objects and a capsule. This capsule is gonna represent our player, or capsule, whatever you wanna call it, or choice. So we're just gonna kind of drag that material to the capsule so it can be the player. And as you can see, we want the camera to be first person. So how do we do that? First of all, drag the camera into the capsule, and then drag the camera like inside the capsule's head. Just like that. We're just going to make it a little bit down, like it's sticking out a little bit up. And this should be okay. Now we want to know where the camera is facing. It's facing this side. So we want to start off by adding to the capsule a component. And that component is going to be Rigidbody. And let's just use that Rigidbody here. So now let's create a script and in the capsule. So let's right click here and add a component. Let's call it movement. Let's call it behavior and add it. It's movement script. So let's open it in Visual Studio. If you don't have Visual Studio, make sure to download it, because it's good for coding in Unity. Let's open the script. It should open Visual Studio. If you have, if you don't have Visual Studio, it's okay to use MonoBehaviour, I have dyslexia. Develop and in Unity, but it's basically good to use script too. So we're just going to start off by using the script. What are we doing in the script? How do we do script? It's actually pretty simple. In the link in the description, there is a script, and that script is going to be the movement script. So just copy and paste it. And I'm going to explain it. So there are behaviors, or let's specify how many, for now variables. There should be public, so Rigidbody is the physics that we just added. So player is going to be dragged out of the capsule. Okay. So public float and speed rotate. So there's going to be a movement speed and there's going to be a rotate. So we can choose them. Okay. So these are fixed updates. So void fixed updates. If Input.GetKey, KeyCode.W, W is usually when you play games like Roblox, Minecraft, Fortnite, you use W to walk forward. So player.velocity equals transform.forward. And then we're just going to do movement speed Time.deltaTime. So we're just going to now do input. Now we have to do if Input.GetKey, KeyCode.S. S is usually walking backwards in Minecraft. You know, Minecraft, Fortnite, Roblox. So player velocity, transform.forward, this, and then n_speed, which represents movement speed, Time.deltaTime. This is making it go backwards because, as you can see, it says minus. If you don't know X and Y, X is usually going left and right, and then Y is going up and down. So Y, there's two directions. Up without a minus, it's positive, not negative, and down is negative. So yeah, I don't know if I said negative, positive, right, but you could understand me. Okay, so now this is going to be X and Y, and X like left and right. So void updates if Input.GetKey KeyCode.A. A represents left. So transform.Rotate. It's gonna rotate and go forward, right? Delta time equals 0. So now if Input.GetKey KeyCode.D, it's gonna go not minus. So the first one's minus and this one's no minus, and the same as the last one. So let's just hit Control S or save it from here. Let's minimize and let's see how this script updates. So as you can see, the script updates. As we did, it's just we do the same thing. So we added the script into our capsule. Remember, we didn't just add it like we did right here. So as you can see, it's showing movement script non-Rigidbody. If it doesn't show that, then you should just create a new project. So let's drag the capsule into the player because our player is the capsule. Let's make the speed 240 and the rotate speed 120. And as you can see, there are basically just things that we move in. Speed, which is going fast or slow, then the lower the number, the slower. The higher the number is the higher speed. So rotate speed, as we click the D and A, we rotate and then we move forward. So let's start this game and let's see how it goes. So as usual, we have physics, so the player is gonna drop, and as you can see, we are moving using D and A. We are rotating, but as you can see, we're just falling when we click W and whatever, and W and X. So the way to fix that is going to Rigidbody and changing the constraints to Y, Y, X, and Z. Because WASD. No. Okay. And these are freeze positions and rotations, so we cannot get mixed up all the time. So let's start it, and as you can see, we are walking normally. We are basically walking normally. We can move forward and backward, and yeah, so we can move. And that's the end of the video. We basically did colors, which is basically materials, and we did physics, and we did movement script. So see you in part 2. Later.